Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Hey, take your time. You got anything I could read for a few minutes? Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Do you know of any puppet modeling agencies? Do you like playing games?
This is
Pay
rather
attention to me.
peaceful.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Hey, take your time. Hey, get me all broken. Yeah, that'll work.
Sweet!
Good choice. Use that every time. Yeah, keep that. Water everywhere! That's not good. No, not that. Hey, it's lonely in here.
Please, God, no, please! Ow! Ow, ow, ow! Pain!
Nothing happens, but I actually like it. No, not that. I wish it would last forever. I live in a box. I'm unarmed! No. No. Do you know of any puppet modeling agencies? Choose something else. Put it back. Yeah, that's my world back. I wish it would last forever. I'm gonna be sick. Oh my God! It's a yucky guppy. Don't get my box wet.
Stop!
Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Excuse me.
Stop it! Don't!
Oh! No. Weirdly awkward. That's not good. Oh no, not that.
Hey, Hannibal, let's watch cartoons instead. Hey, Hannibal, let's watch cartoons instead.
Hi, Chihuahua. Incisions.
Oh my God.
Let me out of here.
I think I need a transfusion.
Go back to the Bates Motel.
This is not what I meant by being
This
cut.
is a slice of life.
I feel nothing. Bludgeon me
This
instead.
is a slice of life.
Ouch! Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. It's the end of the world.
Oh, wait. No. Ow!
Hey! Siri, call the ambulance. Oh! My God, why? Oh! I'm burning! Stop! Time out! Time out! Open the window! Siri, call the ambulance.
Whoa!
Oh, God!
Ow! Whoa!
Help me!
Ow!
Oh!
The pain!
I'm out! I'm out!
I'm dying!
Yow!
Ooh!
You're
No,
killing
no.
me! Ow! 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 Oh!
Mama!
Oh! Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? I want a cracker.
Well. Oi!
That's my karma.
Mother!
Think of your karma. Ouch! It's a never-ending story. I'm melting. So, what do you want to do? Can you turn me toward the TV? You're a bad person.
Mama! I'm dying!
You're a bad person. Don't! Fetch me some coffee, please.
Boring. Oh, steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap.
You have anything I can read for a few minutes?
No, wait,
He's been too much.
Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Stop, pop, and roll! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? My God, why? What's wrong with you?
Stop!
Not that. Oh, not that. I gotta pull myself together.
I live in a box. Oh my God!
Mind if I catch a nap here?
No.